In this video, we will walk through the steps for attaching the UHF extension to the ChannelMaster CM-1776 outdoor TV antenna. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Step 1. Remove rubber end cap. Remove the rubber end cap from the front of the antenna. Step 2. Attach extension clamps. Firmly press both extension clamps onto the square tube of both the main antenna and the UHF extension. Then, place the 2 screws through the clamps and tighten using the included wing nuts as shown. We recommend using a Phillips screwdriver to tighten the screw by holding the wing nut with either your fingers or a pair of pliers. This concludes the assembly of the UHF extension with the CM-1776 outdoor TV antenna. For more product and installation videos from ChannelMaster, please subscribe to our official YouTube channel and visit us online at channelmaster.com.